some diet. Can't find her someone to.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Accessory for another video. Today I decided to do a little unboxing. I know yesterday I didn't post. My bad. I was gonna buy something. I took a L. I was like, yo, I don't want to post it if I'm not really gonna buy anything, or if I'm gonna just buy something impulsively that I don't even want. I passed on it. I was just like, yo, I'm gonna sit back today. But with all that out the way, if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. It definitely goes a long way, and I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. I'm like at 3,780 or something like that, and I appreciate each and every one of you. It means a lot, and I never thought that I'd get here so fast. It's honestly really appreciated, so thank you all once again. Today I decided to do a little unboxing for you guys. It's nothing major, but I still wanted to cover it just to have something for you guys to watch and enjoy. So let's get straight to this video. The first pickup I wanted to show you guys is something I got from Maxx. I got this like a couple days ago, and it's nothing major. It's just a couple shirts that I actually liked, so I picked them up. Now the first one here is this brand that I never seen before, but the dye that it has is so sick. I don't know if you guys will be able to notice the dye on it. It's like this, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a bluish, greenish, grayish type dye, and it feels really soft, so I decided to get it. It's by a brand called Tailgate. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but yeah, this was a pretty dope shirt that I wanted to get. Nothing on the back. It's like this dude riding a motorcycle. This was actually $10, and I feel like Maxx has great shirts and other things for really good prices. Really good prices, honestly. Now this second piece that I got is really sick. I really actually do love it, and it's this Ice Cube t-shirt where he's riding in like a drop top Carolina blue looking ass Chevy, or I don't even know what kind of car, you can't really tell, but really sick. It has that Ice Cube right there. This is actually like an Ice Cube shirt, which is kind of weird, but this one was $8, which is not bad at all. Like $8 for a tee, you could freak this whenever, and the quality is not bad at all. If I'm gonna say so myself, this is softer than Supreme. Now next up, we getting into the juicy Supremeness, you feel me? I'm not gonna open that one first, and it just fell, but let's get into this one first. I haven't opened this one, and it's like 3 weeks old, honestly, so I felt like I should do it now, you feel me? I want to see what it looks like in person. Boom, we got the Supreme bag right there. And here we got a box logo sticker, which is the norm. We got the Martin Luther King pin. Hopefully it focuses on it. Martin Luther King pin, which is also another good little addition. And we do have the Martin Luther King sticker as well. This one's pretty cool. I actually do like these pieces. I don't know why they weren't hyped at all. These actually sat for a little while. I do have the Martin Luther King tee in here. I was debating on whether I should open it or not, but I feel like at this point it's kind of a tradition to open the piece on the channel, so I'm gonna open it, yo. Hey, look at this. That's sick, see? Boom, we got the tee right up in here. I got it in the XL. I've been losing some weight lately, so this might not fit me too long. Got this red colorway. I don't have no red shirts until this point, so it's a great addition to have a colorful ass shirt in the collection. Got that blasted Martin Luther King on the back, which I honestly really love. It would have been a make or break for me if it didn't have the thing on the back. Like if it was just this, it would have been a hard cop. But this one, pretty decent. Really like the quality on this one, actually. It's pretty soft, which I could really appreciate. Yo, my bad, but it's hella kids screaming outside. I can hear this shit vividly. You guys might be able to too. My bad, but hey man, we can't do shit about that. Next up, we got a piece that I picked up last week, if I'm not mistaken, and I've been meaning to pick this up, but I never got to it. I actually picked it up this time. I feel like these just restocked a couple times by now, but this was the time that I actually managed to get it. You already know we got this. And then in the bag, we got 2 stickers, box logos as usual. And then we got something to put the stickers in. Boom, we got the Supreme. You already know we got the storage box right here. This one's definitely a great addition to the collection. I feel like I'm gonna be using this one for sure to put my stickers in. I'm gonna definitely put this on the shelf, and I might even keep the box that it comes in. It has the box logo on it, so it might be an additional piece to just put on there, you know? Woo. Now, like I told you before, the tradition is to open everything. I'm not gonna not open this. This shit is not dead stock no more. I opened it, and it actually feels pretty good. Like the quality is better than I expected it to be, considering that Supreme usually, or not usually, but sometimes they have shitty quality. We know that. This is actually pretty good quality. Inside, we assume there's nothing, obviously. Now this is a collaboration with Sig, and they did do the Sig water bottle as well. So this is Sig, and this is also Sig as well. You can see it on the bottom right there. They dropped a couple pieces from Sig this season, and I'm honestly looking, yo, let me see if the stickers even fit. Boom, so this is gonna be filled with Supreme stickers, Palace stickers, and little things like that. Oh, fail. Really a good pickup in my opinion. You could use this for other things as well, but I'm gonna just take a little chill use of it, you know? I'm not gonna fill this up with anything else. That was definitely a good piece. I like the way that that came out, and it looks really clean. I like the whole matte metal finish. Shit is fire. Now the last piece that I picked up was from last week's Supreme drop, and it's something that I've been waiting for. I've literally been talking about this piece for so long, and I actually managed to get it. So I'm gonna open that for you guys real quick. Bang, it comes in here. Now if you did buy this, you already know what comes in here. I took the whole top off the bitch. I got hella Supreme bags. I don't even know what to do with them at this point. We got 2 crooked box logos. These shits are bent though. We got the knife, bro. We got the knife. I've been waiting for this shit for a minute, bro. This is definitely one of my favorite pieces from the season. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've been waiting for this shit for so long, bruh, and I finally got it. I personally like the black colorway more than the red one because I feel like this box logo stands out way more. Like, look, from far you could tell there's a box logo on there. On the red one, it all kind of blends in, and I don't really like that too much. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now the thing with this right here, I'm trying to open it, but I don't want to break the packaging because I kind of do like the packaging that it actually comes in. It has a little box logo on the top, then it has like this whole samurai Chinese feel to it. It says something down there as well. It shows you how to put it on or whatever back there, but who the is gonna actually use that? Now I am trying to figure out a way to open this without breaking it. That's gonna be a mission. Would it be retarded if I just get a knife and like cut it open right here and just slide that shit out? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Don't try this at home. Yo, we low-key managed to get it out. I just gotta clean the edges up a little bit and we gooch. We got another thing to put up. You already know, bro. We working out here. Hold up.
Ooh, this shit type sharp.
That's clean. So boom, here we got the knife. We got the Supreme box logo right there. I don't really know exactly what language that is, but we do have like 5 letters. I'm gonna try to decipher that when I do the legit check on this, because I feel like Supreme knives are the things that are mostly faked. Like you can see the key knife that's been faked, the butterfly one, the one from last season. Every knife that they make is usually faked. So I definitely will be having a legit check either the next day after I post this or 2 days after. Stay tuned for that. And that pretty much does it for this video. So let me know what your favorite piece that I picked up today was down below. Mine was definitely this Supreme knife. I also do really like the MLKT. I feel like that one was really underrated. And after time passes, the price will go up on that one. Mark my word. Now, subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. Leave a like on the video. And that pretty much does it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Stay up. And I'm out.
Someone